Are you tired of staring at the dreaded hashtag in /a_error in your Google Sheets formulas? It's a frustrating sight that can derail even the most carefully crafted data analysis. But fear not, because today we're going to master the IFERROR function and revolutionize the way you handle errors in your spreadsheets. The IFERROR function is a powerful tool in Google Sheets that allows you to specify a custom value to return when a formula produces an error. This means you can avoid those pesky hashtag in /a errors and present your data in a clean, polished format. But like any complex function, it requires a bit of finesse to get right. To start, let's take a look at the basic syntax of the IFERROR function. IFERROR value underscore. The first argument, value, is the formula that might produce an error. The second argument, value underscore error, is the custom value you want to return in its place. For example, let's say you have